Wait! If your vegan lasagna turns out watery, bland, or falls apart, you're making one big mistake. Today, I'll show you how to get the creamiest, dreamiest vegan lasagna ever, with one unexpected trick you don't want to miss. Stay till the end. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. Here's what you'll need: silky lasagna sheets, melty vegan mozzarella, creamy dairy-free ricotta, rich tomato sauce, and a handful of pantry basics. Oh, and one surprising addition that makes everything extra luscious. I'll tell you what it is soon. Start by building a rich tomato sauce, then layer it up with luscious white sauce, vegan cheeses, and silky pasta sheets. But here's the secret. The creamy magic doesn't happen unless you add one game-changing touch right before baking. I'll reveal that in a minute. The top 3 mistakes: using too much sauce, skipping the resting time after baking, and not adding enough binding richness to the cheese layers. Resting is crucial. Let your lasagna chill out for 10 to 15 minutes. Otherwise, it'll collapse into a puddle. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. All right, ready for the magic? Before baking, stir a few tablespoons of plant-based heavy cream into your vegan ricotta mix. It transforms it into an ultra-luxurious filling. No more dry, crumbly bites, ever. And don't forget, let it rest before slicing. Look at that cheese stretch. Absolutely drool-worthy. Now that you know the secret to restaurant-quality vegan lasagna, get the full step-by-step recipe with exact measurements over on my blog. Plus, I'm giving away 20 free lasagna recipes you can download today. Click the link in the description and pinned comment to grab yours.